Hello and welcome to Dave's channel. Today we're gonna take a look at this scuba mask. It's for snorkeling and it also serves as a diving mask because you can breathe underwater connecting this compressed air bottle to the mask. And I'm gonna show you briefly how this works. In order to make this work as a snorkeling mask, it comes with two tubes, which is great because you get double the air, and you attach them to these holes. One is already attached, and I'm gonna show you how to attach the other. It has this clip mechanism, so you make sure you pull it inside the hole, and while you clip, you rotate until the clip goes in and is tight to this dent here. Okay, now it's ready. You can put it in many positions depending on your position in the water. So if you're looking upside down, you can go like this. It's good for where it's wavy, or if you leave your head. It adapts different positions. It's very comfortable, it's very easy to use compared to a normal snorkeling tube and mask that goes separated. I think it's a great product for kids too, because it's very easy for them. Now we're gonna switch this tube and we're gonna attach it to this compressed air bottle. This can be used by itself alone. You fill it up with air. It goes to 200 bars. It lasts around 10 minutes. You can take it as deep as 10 meters. And with this attachment, it's like you just put it on your mouth and you go in and you breathe normally underwater. In order to attach the bottle to the mask, what we do is we unattach the mouthpiece just by rotating it and not letting it drop. Then we attach this piece that comes with the bottle. We attach it to the bottle and we take the tube out. We unclip, boom, we rotate, we take it out, and there is this mechanism here. It has an open thing. You twist it, you put it in, and you let it untwist. And now it's attached. Open, it says open. And when you open it, press it firm securely, and you can tell it's not coming out. So now this is ready to be used with the bottle. You put it on, and you can go underwater and keep breathing normal. Air won't come through this tube because it has these plastic balls inside that when you dive in the water, they go up and they push against the plastic. So air doesn't go in and you'll be getting all the air from the actual bottle. So great product, really fun. Thanks for watching.